How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of tonsil stones, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So why do you get tonsil stones? Normally tonsil stones happen because you get food stuck in your throat. That food turns into bacteria, or that food is bacteria. Then you get the tonsil stones. A lot of times too, it's not from flossing. A lot of people don't floss at night. Food is stuck in between your teeth. Sometimes it can get out of your teeth, go inside your throat, get the tonsil stones. So how do we get rid of the tonsil stones? Super easy. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, mix it together, gargle with it, and then spit it out. This is a salt water rinse. The reason this works is because salt kills bacteria. So the salt will kill the tonsil stones. It works very, very easy. And yeah, very, very simple to do, and it works. Gargle 3 to 4 seconds. So go like this, 3 to 4 seconds, spit it out, and then just do it until the whole cup of water is gone. That is literally all you have to do. You do this and you will get rid of your tonsil stones very, very easily. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.